Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Tyler with MyComputerWorks, and today I'm going to be showing you the fastest, the simplest, and the easiest way to go ahead and delete your Google account. But before we do that, we're going to want to download all the data. So I'm going to show you first how to get all of the data out of your Google account onto your computer so that you can safely delete said Google account and get rid of it, right? For whatever reason that may be. But before we jump into that, drop down below and please hit that like and subscribe before you go. It really helps us out and it'll help you out by bringing you 2 videos a week and multiple shorts about tech stuff, all about tech stuff, how-tos, tech talks, what's going on in the tech world, that kind of stuff. That's what we do here on the MyComputerWorks channel. If you're interested, make sure to drop down below and hit that like and subscribe. If you're having issues with your technology, there's a phone number down there you can call and we will help you out. It's at the intro, outro, and again, down in the description. So make sure to check that out. Now let's jump into it. Let me show you how to delete our Google accounts and get the data first. Let's do it. Okay, so step 1, we need to go to Google Takeout. So it's gonna be takeout.google.com. Boom, here it is. Once we get here, it can be a little bit hard to understand for some people, so I'm gonna break it down really quickly. What we do is we wanna select all the things that we want to download or that data that we want to keep, okay? So, for example, I never use the arts and cultures feature. I don't need that. I don't need these assignments. I don't need these bloggers. I like my calendar items. I like my Chrome. You see what I'm doing here. Go through the list, get the things that you want, and deselect or uncheck the things that you do not want. Once you have all the things that you want selected, you'll scroll to the bottom to this next step option at the very bottom, okay? The next step is just choosing how you're gonna get this data. Now, they have a couple options and some of them are pretty cool. You can have the file sent to you through email. That's kind of like, you know, the easiest, like low grade method, right? Because it's old school, it's getting it through email. It's gonna be a little slower. It's probably gonna take a while. So there's the email, and then they can also add it to your drive, add it to Dropbox, or add it to OneDrive, which is really cool. Because if you have any of these cloud programs going on, you could just sign right in, have them drop it right in there. You're good to go, okay? Now for this one, because I think a lot of people are gonna end up doing email, because again, it's the easiest, even though it's kind of the most, what's the word? Elementary, that's the word I'm looking for. It's the most elementary method, but it works, okay? So do email, that works for you. This is asking if we want to be exporting our data constantly or just once. We just want it once, right? And then how are we going to get the file? We can do zip files, which is what I recommend. And you can go all the way up to 50 gigabytes per zip file they send you. So they could pack a ton of your data into one zip folder and then send it to you, okay? About 50 gigabytes in size. If you had like 200 gigabytes, obviously they're going to have to send you 4 of these things. And that's probably going to take a while. But once you have this done, you hit create export and they're going to be sending you data, all of your data either to your email or to one of these cloud programs, depending on what you picked on. So that's step 1, getting the data on your computer, downloading it from Google Takeout, making sure you have a copy of it. Now it's not instant. Again, when I hit create export, it says that it's going to take possibly hours or days to complete. So we cannot just jump right in and delete our account yet. We'll have to wait for that to be done. So obviously we're gonna do a time fast forward and I'm gonna show you now how to delete the account. All right, so now let's say that you got your Google Takeout file. It's a couple days or weeks or whatever in the future and you got your file, you downloaded your data, you're ready to delete the account. So next step, we're gonna go to myaccount.google.com. And when we get here, we're gonna see all these cool options on the side. We're gonna choose data and privacy, okay? Once we get into data and privacy, we are going to scroll down and down until we see delete your Google account. Before you click this, make sure you have all the data downloaded from Takeout and make sure that you're really sure you want to do this because once it's gone, it's gone. It's really hard to get it back, okay? But once you're ready, you'll hit delete your account, you'll go through the prompts and you'll be able to get rid of it. That's it. Usually takes them like 30 days sometimes to fully remove the account, but as far as what you need to do, you are done and you can move on. That is it. That's how you download all your Google data and delete the account. Now you're good to go make a new one or go make another email somewhere else if that was your plan, whatever it may be. I hope it helped out. If this video helped you accomplish this, drop down below, hit that like and subscribe before you go so I can see you on the next one.